Okay, here's the backyard. Just came out of my house. That's looking east. Alright, I had to dig this all out this morning for the dog. Alright, gonna walk around the deck. That's the garage entrance from here. The back path, the roof has got quite an expression. There's the deck and the garden. There's the garden, there's the path, shop, and the shop door. That's a good, maybe 3 feet in the deepest spot. We dug a few feet out of here. It was probably almost up to that doorknob on the door when we started. Alright, Mason came out here, carved that path next to the car. No, next to it. The snow slightly. Well, lots it goes up to the top of the car and over. Now, but just back there, some of that. There's the front of Mason's car. It's up over his hood. And beyond that, you'll notice maybe 2-3 feet to 4 feet. Maybe 3.5 out by the road, 4 feet in spots. I'll walk out there through Mason's path, go through that shovel there. I can get a hand on that. Oh, over the snow, down the road, and no, the MG wasn't in the garage when all this started. No room. So that's behind the cars. There's the Thunderbird, and there's the Mercury. Nicely buried. I'll back it up a little bit. Thought we'd record this for posterity. This is the house. I dug one window out on the bottom floor. And no sidewalks for a while. At least they didn't bury my mailbox. Not too far past there is Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. There's the house. The porch got blown off nicely. Pretty much buried. Hope you enjoyed that. Talk with you soon. Happy snow day.